Okay, so today we're out here trying the new Glock 22 3rd gen I just bought. I got a killer deal on it for 325 bucks. Came with one 15 round factory mag, and I went out and bought a extended mag, 22 rounds. This is the 40 cal. Like I said, 3rd gen. So just cleaned it up. We're gonna take it out for a little test run today. We're shooting the Winchester Ranger T Series 165 grain FMJs, and we got some PMC 165 grain, or 180 grain, excuse me, JHPs. We got 7 of those of the bottom of this mag. So we'll shoot the first mag first. Set that down. Okay, so locked and loaded. We're gonna aim at that bottle right there. It fell. Can you still see the bottle?
No. Wait.
Can you see it?
No, we didn't do earplugs.
Who cares?
What'd you hit?
The wire. That one hit me in the head.
Hey!
Alright, so that was the JHPs and the Winchester T Series. And now we're going to see if we can cycle through this mag real quick. This is the extended mag, 22 rounds. You can see that all loaded. Can you see that on there?
Hang on. Okay.
That's the extended mag. Shooting good, no FTFs. Awesome deal on this Glock. Love it. So we're just going to do rapid fire at this bottle with the extended mag. And can't hear anything. Rain the snow. That's okay. Good looking gun. Very well approved. 325 bucks, can't beat that.